any grids anymore. Okay, so now I'm going to start to show you how to draw an ellipse. So let me share the screen, so please pay attention to how to draw this ellipse. Once we finish it, then let's go for the your assignments. Okay, so everybody in. There are 24 people here. Let me see, everybody's in out here. Okay, so this is now how we can. So I hope you are you can watch my desktop now. Let me see what I can do this here. Downloads, how to draw. So please pay attention now. There's something wrong with this. I don't think. Can you hear Can you hear the audio, all of you? There's something wrong with the audio. I think so, right? Let me see. Let me see. The audio is not very good. You can't. Yeah, right, right. Okay, okay. Let's see. The audio is initially clear, not very clear. Let's see.
Yes, that the length is
Happening here. Let me see. It's not very clear. It's not very clear. Let's see. Because of sharing, maybe I don't know. Let me see. How does it work? Okay. Okay, if it doesn't, then we'll directly go to another site maybe.
we will straight line and
Right? Just look. Doesn't work. Anyway, just watch it. How does it work? Because initially he tried to bisect the line. You know how to bisect these lines, right? So I don't know. Maybe let's go to the maybe the YouTube site whether we have it or not. I don't know in the YouTube whether any other uh, websites available. Let's see. Let's go to the YouTube directly. Uh, YouTube. Let's see. Sorry about that. Okay. So that's search history, watch history. Okay. Okay. Let's see this.
Do you want to learn to draw professional and impressive artwork from scratch that will blow people's minds?
Okay. Now watch it. It's not exactly the same, but it'll help us. Okay. This
hello.
is.
Today we are going to draw an oval given the length of its two axes. Can be seen at the top left-hand side of
So the minor and major axis is given, then you should know the two axes. One is the major, another is the minor. That's what he's saying.
our screen. Line segment AB and CD.
CD, yes.
The first step we are going to do is to situate these two axes. So to start, we will draw a horizontal straight line in the
AB.
middle of our screen. And mark a point A on the left side of this line, as can be seen here. Now we are going to transport our larger axis AB onto our horizontal line. Setting our compass to the length of the axis AB, we will now transport it onto our horizontal line. Setting our compass on A and scribing point B on the horizontal line, as shown here. So now that we have the horizontal axis AB, we are going to work out its perpendicular bisector, because this is where our second smaller axis CD will be located. To draw this perpendicular bisector, firstly we must draw two arcs which are centered on both ends of our axis AB, as can be seen here in the video. These arcs are going to have the same radius. The only condition is that the lengths of the radius must be longer than half the length of the axis AB.
I hope you remember this last time when we discussed about bisecting a line. So for an ellipse, the major and minor axis is given. So first take the major axis AB and then bisect it. That's what they're doing it.
These arcs intersect at 2 points, which we will join to obtain our perpendicular bisector. This perpendicular bisector cuts the axis AB at a point which we will call 0. So the next step is to work out the perpendicular bisector of the smaller axis CD, so as to work out its midpoint. As the smaller axis CD is located on the top of our screen, we are going to use a different method bisector because we don't have enough space to use our previous method. So we are going to draw 4 arcs with 2 different radiuses, one radius for the first 2 arcs and a slightly shorter radius for the second 2 arcs. The first 2 radiuses will intersect each other at a point, while the second 2 radiuses will intersect each other at a different point. So now we join these 2 points with a line, and this line will be the perpendicular bisector, as shown here. This perpendicular bisector cuts the axis CD in half at the midpoint M. Using our compass set on point M to D, we will transport this length onto the vertical bisector above and below the midpoint 0, as can be seen here in the video. Now I have the 2 axes of our oval located correctly. The next step is, with our compass centered on 0 and with a radius OA, we will scribe an arc to the right until it cuts the vertical bisector, and we will call this point A1. So now we join this point A to point C. Now, with our compass centered on point C and with a radius CA1, we are going to scribe an arc to the left until it cuts our previously drawn line AC at a point we will call A2. Or A with 2 hyphens, as seen here in the video. The next step is to calculate the perpendicular bisector of the line segment A2. To do this, we use the first method, drawing 2 intersecting arcs above and below the line segment A2, as can be seen here in the video. We try to keep these arcs as small as possible so as to not clutter the drawing. So now we draw the perpendicular bisector, which will intersect our 2 axes at points 0,1 and 0,2, as can be seen here in the video. These points will be 2 centers of our oval. So now we must obtain the mirror image of these 2 points. To do this, with the compass set on the origin 0 and with radius 0,01, we scribe an arc to the right horizontal axis AB. Now, with our compass set on the origin 0 and radius 0,02, we scribe an arc to the left until we cut our vertical axis CD. These 2 new points will be called 0,3 and 0,4, as can be seen here in the video. So now we are going to join 02 to 0.03, and we will prolongate this line as can be seen here. We will repeat this process by joining points 04 to 01 and prolongating this line also as can be seen here. And finally, we join points 04 to 03, again prolongating this line as can be seen in the video. So the last step is to draw the 4 arcs that make up our oval. With the compass centered on point 01 and radius 01A, we will draw the left side of our oval as can be seen here in the video, until it cuts our previously drawn prolongations. As you can see, I'm going to use a thicker line to draw these arcs. So now with the compass centered on point 03 and the same radius 01A, we will draw another arc which will be the right side of our oval as can be seen here. The next step, we will draw the third arc with our compass centered on point 02. And finally, with our compass centered on point 04, we will finish drawing our oval. Here you have the oval made up of 4 independent arcs with 4 independent center points. The points of these arcs are aligned with their centers, and because of that, there are tangent points. We will assign the letter T for tangent point to these 4 points. Okay, I hope.
So this is just what do you call it, an exercise, but it's not going to be in your assignment because since you have already made a tangent, that will be fine. But those who are interested in it, I've already uploaded our own slides as well. So this, I will send you this URL to all of you so that you can try out in case if you are interested in. Okay. All right. Okay. So if you see our own method, but I have shown you last class, which is very similar. So please check it now, and that will help you a lot. Okay. Before we go further, let's see your attendance first. This is your attendance. Please answer attendance before you go for our assignments. Anas Khatim Saad Al-Hamdan, is he present today? Anas, answer attendance now. Can you hear me, you guys? All of you, can you hear me? Yeah, please go on and first answer attendance. Anas Khatim Saad Al-Hamdan, is he present? Who is he? Yes, yes. Who is he? Only one person is saying yes. Okay. And then Abdullah Majid Ubaidullah Al Khurairi, Muhammad Abdul Khalek Abdullah Yahya, Abdulaziz Sulaiman Ubaid Sankuf, Abdulaziz Sulaiman Ubaid Sankuf, absent. Ubaid Sulaiman Ubaid Sankuf, absent. The brothers, it seems. Rayat Abdulaziz Uthman Al Muzal, Osama Naif Habib Allah Al Salma, Khalid Muhammad Jabir Al Bukhairi. Khalid is present. Okay. Abdul Majid Zayed Asiri. Once I call you, please answer, because Ryan Ahmad Abdullah says, Ahmad Muhammad Aziz Al Najibi, Abdul Rahman Muhammad Atallah Al Anzi, Abdul Rahman Muhammad Atallah, present. Abdul Hadi Jalabi Abdul Hadi Al Kathani, Hazan Jarallah Ubaidullah Al Tuwairi, Tuwaki, Hazan Jarallah, are you here? Okay. Abdullah Muhammad Mansur Hamid Nadim, Suhaib Ali Hussain, Sultan Saad Hamid Al Khatti, Sultan Saad Hamid Al Khatti. Is he present? Sultan, absent. Sultan is absent. Sultan Saad Hamid Al Harthi, absent. Muhammad Abdulaziz Hussain Al Mahia, Adnan Wissam Adnan Barashi, Badr Abdullah Omar Al Amaudi, Ziad Abdul Salam Hamadi Al Jadani, Asil Ali Hassan Al Zarani, Iyad Abdulaziz Awad Al Zarani, Fariz Ali Hassan Abu Khammas, Yusuf Khani Abdullah Majid, Ahmad Salim Hassan Al Harthi, Abdulaziz Abdullah Hussain Al Morshadi, Sultan Muhammad Abdul Manim Al Salami, Al Hassan Allawi Hassan Al Safi, Abdullah Ayman Hussain Kwamlo, Ali Hassan Ali Sharri. Okay, so the absentees today, the brothers Abdulaziz Sulaiman Obaid Sankof, Obaid Sulaiman Obaid Sankof, and then Sultan Saad Hamid Al Khaddi. Who is he? Why you say yes, yes, yes? Who is yes saying yes, yes, yes? Put your number. If you are present, put your number. Obaid Sankuf. Okay, Obaid Sankuf is on. Obaid Sankuf is present. Okay, what about the other Sankuf? Abdulaziz Sulaiman, where is he? Is also there. Abdulaziz Sankuf is also there. Okay. So the only absent today is seems to be Sultan Saad Hamid Al Hadi. Is he here? 2040757. So I'll give him absent. Remaining all of them are present. Very nice. All right. So who is this guy? Again, he's saying, is here Dr. Sultan. Okay, Sultan is here. Okay. All right, all right. Sultan is present. So all of you are present. Good. 100% attendance today. That's very nice. Okay, so when you see it again, here, the major axis and minor axis is given, and they're trying to make the tangent by using this method. So this is a little complicated method, but of course, this is how, doctor, is it possible to compensate for the lack of duties that occurred? What is this compensate for the lack of duties? What is this? What happened? What do you mean? Is it possible to compensate for the lack of duties? What do you mean, actually? I don't understand. Huh? Who is this guy? Is it possible to compensate for the lack of duties that occurred? What do you mean? Who is this guy? I don't understand your point here. Let me see what we can do it here. So let's see it again before we go for the this all present today. Come on, what's your question actually? What's your question? Is this guy? Is it possible to compensate for the lack of duties? What do you mean by lack of duties? Huh? Come on. Say something. All right. So when you see there, this guy, I don't know what he's trying to say here. Okay. Now, if we take this, now, if you see here, this is what exactly he meant. Okay. So now, how to show this again? Let's see this. So the point here is this is the major axis and the smaller one is the minor axis. So first draw the major axis. You can directly, because he was using a compass, but you can directly use your drafter to measure this. And the most important thing is you have to draw the bisect it, make a perpendicular line, and then you put your the minor axis here. Okay, this is the standard procedure. Now you watch it again. Let's see how he did it. Okay. Now, so first thing, this is AB and CD. AB is the major and CD is the minor axis. Okay. Then what it does, Then the thing is, first he draw the major axis, and then now you see there that is AB. He will first draw this AB, but he is using a compass. But you can very well use a scale and mark the major axis yourself. So he is using a compass, but you can directly measure from a scale or from your mini drafter. If the major axis is given for the ellipse, or then you can directly use it. But he is using a compass by using a software. So you are doing it manually. That's it. Yes. Okay. You know what's the difference? He is using a software to draw this, but what you're doing is the manual, drawing of or manual construction of this ellipse. Okay. Okay. So now we have the A being horizontal axis, and the vertical axis should be the perpendicular line. So what we do first, we bisect this line and mark CD here. Okay. So he's bisecting the line, and of course he's keep on asking something. Let's see. Okay, he's simply bisecting it. The bisection, I think the bisecting last time you have done the bisection, right? Take a half of it, more than half of the radius of it, and then half of the not radius, half of the distance AB, and then mark the arc on the top and bottom of this to bisect the line. Some people are keep on asking some question. What is his question? Let's see. Who is asking now? Okay. There is no video. We can't see. Okay, you can't see. All right. Why you can't see? Let's see this now. Where's my homework? Oh, you can't see the video? Let me share the screen. Okay. Share the audio. Okay, now wait. Let's see. All right, now we can see this. All right. So the first thing what we do, first we draw the what do you call it?
Left side of this line,
The
as
major
can be
and
seen
minor
here.
axis. Very simple. Actually, AB is the major axis, CD is the minor axis. You know what is the major axis and minor axis, right? For an ellipse, the major axis is the bigger one, horizontal, and the minor axis is the vertical one. Okay, if you want to know, if you remember the previous case, so just listen carefully, then we'll see it. Okay.
Now we are going to transport our larger axis AB onto our horizontal line. Setting our compass to the length of the axis AB, we will now transport it onto our horizontal line. Setting our compass on A and scribing point B on the horizontal line, as shown here. So now that we have the horizontal axis AB, we are going to work out its perpendicular bisector, because this is where our second smaller axis CD will be located.
So it's just bisecting the line. You remember that last time I mentioned how to draw a bisection of this line. So take more than half of the AB and draw the two arcs that cut each other on the top and bottom and join it in order to bisect the line.
To draw this perpendicular bisector, firstly we must draw two arcs which are centered on both ends of our axis AB, as can be seen here in the video. These arcs are going to have the same radius. The only condition is that the lengths of the radius must be longer than half the length of the axis AB. These arcs intersect at 2 points, which we will join to obtain our perpendicular bisector. This perpendicular bisector cuts the axis AB at a point which we will call 0.
So, you know what they did, AB, and draw a bisection of this AB. You can do it directly, measure this line from your minute after and draw it, okay? And then in order to get the center line, because this is the major, AB is the major axis, and we have to draw the CD. So that's why we make a bisection of this, and then exactly at the center is a right angle one, and from there we are going to draw the CD. Yes.
So the next step is to work out the perpendicular bisector of the smaller axis CD, so as to work out its midpoint. As the smaller axis CD is located on the top of our screen, we are going to use a different method to work out its perpendicular bisector, because we don't have enough space to use our previous method. So we are going to draw 4 arcs with 2 different radiuses, one radius for the first 2 arcs and a slightly shorter radius for the second 2 arcs. The first 2 radiuses will intersect each other at a point, while the second 2 radiuses will intersect each other at a different point. So now we join these 2 points with a line, and this line will be the perpendicular bisector, as shown here. This perpendicular bisector cuts the axis CD in half at the midpoint M. Using our compass set on point M to D, we will transport.
So actually you don't need to calculate this half. It's just making the half of it actually, you know. But since it is given in your exam or somewhere, so you just take half of it. That's it. Okay. This is the proper method, but nowadays we don't use it. Simply take the major axis, half of it, and draw the perpendicular line by bisecting it, and take the minor axis. So if in the exam or in in the exercise, if it is given, take the half of it. That's it. Okay, it's just making it a little complicated.
Put this length onto the vertical bisector above and below the midpoint 0, as can be seen here in the video.
This is the minor axis. We simply draw the minor axis. That's it. You understand what I'm saying? He's now drawing the CD. That's it. So mark it
Now
as
I
CD.
have the 2 axes of our oval located correctly.
Yeah, that is the CD. So you don't need to do all these things like this. This is the proper method by the geometry construction method, but we don't need to. If we know your AB and CD, all you have to do is first draw the AB with the given dimensions. Let's say 100 millimeters, just draw 100 millimeters. But find out the center, and then from the center you draw by using the bisection line, and from there you put the minor axis. Very simple. So he tries to find, since he's giving the ABCD dimension, so he is making it half of it. That's why he's making it like that. You understand what I'm trying to say here? Nice. Okay, later I will see how it. Okay. All right.
The next step is, with our compass centered on 0 and with a radius OA, we will scribe an arc to the right until it cuts the vertical bisector, and we will call this point A1.
This is the biggest circle. And join
so now we join this point A to point C.
AC, that's it. Yeah.
Now, with our compass centered on point C and with a radius CA1, we are going to scribe an arc to the left until it cuts our previously drawn line AC at a point we will call A2.
This is very simple actually. The difference between the major axis and minor axis is actually AC dash. Okay. Then he take that axis as a radius and he draw this the arc. There are several methods. This is one of the methods. Very simple actually.
Or A with 2 hyphens, as seen here in the video. The next step is to calculate the perpendicular bisector of the line segment A2. To do this, we use the first method, drawing two intersecting arcs above and below the line segment A2, as can be seen here in the video. We try to keep these arcs as small as possible so as to not clutter the drawing. So now we draw the perpendicular bisector, which will intersect our two axes at points 0, 1 and 0, 2, as can be seen here in the video.
You understand what I'm saying? Because AB is the major axis, CD is the minor axis. So the difference between AB and CD is dash dash. From there they cut it here A double dash, and then A double dash they bisect it. You understand what I'm saying here? A double dash is now bisecting again. Just they are trying to make the tangents. That's it. In order to make the ellipse. Okay.
These points will be two centers of our oval. So now we must obtain the mirror image.
Now you have to do the same procedure on the other side. Initially we make it for AO. Now you have to make BO. The same thing you have to do, okay?
Of these 2 points. To do this, with the compass set on the origin 0 and with radius 0, 0, 1, we scribe an arc to the right, which cuts our horizontal axis AB. Now, with our compass set on the origin 0 and radius 0, 0, 2, we scribe an arc to the left until we cut a vertical axis CD. These 2 new points will be called 0, 3 and 0, 4, as can be seen here in the video. So now we are going to join 0, 2 to point 0, 3, and we will prolongate this line, as can be seen here. We will repeat this process by joining points 0, 4 to 0, 1 and prolongating this line also, as can be seen here. And finally, we join points 0, 4 to 0, 3, again prolongating this line, as can be seen in the video. So the last step is to draw the 4 arcs that make up our oval. With the compass centered on point 0, 1 and radius 0, 1A, we will draw the left side of our oval, as can be seen here in the video, until it cuts our previously drawn prolongations. As you can see, I'm going to use a thicker line to draw these arcs. Now, with the compass centered on point 0, 3 and the same radius 0, 1A, we will draw another arc, which will be the right side of our oval, as can be seen here. The next step, we will draw the third arc with our compass centered on point 0, 2. And finally, with our compass centered on point 0, 4, we will finish drawing our oval. Here you have the oval made up of 4 independent arcs with 4 independent center points. The contact points of these arcs are aligned with their centers, and because of that, there are tangent points. We will assign the...
So now if you see this, let's see how many people are asking this. Can you repeat the step? Okay, we'll do this once more again. Let me show you the what do you call it? How they did this. Because this will take time. You have to first see this slowly, because the same steps. Because last time I told you how to draw the tangent, right? So now there are several methods to draw the ellipse, and this method is a little complicated, but you have to pay some more time. You have to spend some more time in order to understand this. Let me show our own method here. Drawing tools. Now he simply put it here, and then this is the easy way. If you see it, can you see our desktop, right? The same thing he did it with by a campus, but here we are doing it even what do you call it, easily. The dimensions are given. You can directly make it, not like he every time he make a what do you call it, bisection line and start doing it. But it's much easier by doing this. So this is the major and minor axis here. This is given. Then see what first step he is making it. Joining it there and extending it the minor axis. Take the center point and draw this the big line. I mean, take the O and here this the major axis as the radius and draw the bigger circle. And take the minor uh, as the center and draw another arc. This is what he did. Now you see the difference. That guy is making so many complications. How he made it. You understand what I'm trying to say here? Now you see what he was trying in the YouTube, because he was more professionally he made it. Now what he made initially, he first draw the line and then take the bisection of the line and then join it, and from there he can again make this the line there and then he mark it here. So this is a very complicated, but this is the proper method, of course. But you don't need to, since you have the tools with you, your mini draft is there. You don't need to do all these things. So simply in our case, what he did, he simply draw this and the minor axis, then mark it and find the center and take this as center. This is A, draw the bigger diameter, and from there take this off and make another diameter. So this is how you have to make it. This is another way to do this. Do you understand what I'm saying here, guys? Let me show you again. Okay, now watch it carefully again. So this is the first step, major axis and minor axis, and then draw the join these two together, the major and minor, extend the minor line, take the center O and OA as the radius and draw the circle. Do you understand? So this is O and this is A, this is B, and this is, you can say, CD. You understand, guys? All of you understand, right? All right. Now take C as the center and the other one as the radius, the top one here, and draw the what do you call it, the arc. The arc hits this on this line here. Now you find the 2 points here. Then you have to bisect these 2 points. You remember last time he did, and he joined it to this line here at the bottom. It hits here. Okay, that we call it as O the last time. Very similar. Take that as center and that as this point as the, and join it these two and finish it. Now take O as center and this as radius and mark the other side. We are repeating the same at here and then join these lines. That's it. You understand, all of you now? Because the YouTube generally gives you more professional way of drawing it and so many arcs, but this is pretty easier. So now it is very easy to go further. Arc at the center, and from the O here, you take another one, draw the arc. Now take this as the center, where? Now this as the center, okay, and take this to, now this as the center, you see? Here this is the center, and this as the radius, and join it. You make another arc, right? All right, and take the other side as the center, and this point as the radius, this point as the radius, and draw another arc. That's it. Easier? Okay, it's very easy now. All right, so I hope you guys now, I'm sure you must be terrified watching that one. This guy, this YouTuber is really killing you, making everyone to shiver. So please, those guys who said not yet, you go back at home and do this yourself. You understand? YouTube is different. Yeah, that's what. This what's his name? Not yet. I think you are you. This is the third time I'm showing it, the fourth time, and still you don't understand. Means you go and search yourself and try to find out. Okay, just follow my slides. Just now I show it to you because YouTube is more professional way they are showing because those people are the industrial people. They show it properly. But you see, yeah, of course, I will give you the size. Once the size is given, it's very, very easy. The major axis is 100 mm, minor axis is 50 mm. That's it, very easy. Just draw the major axis and find out the center, vertical, and put the minor, and then take the arc, make a very big circle, and then minor plus mid. Okay, let me show you again. This guy is really, really crazy. Okay, let me show it again. See, sometimes people are, it waste our time actually. This is the fourth time I'm showing it to you, only ellipse. Ellipse, I'm not going to ask you anyway. What is the deadline of this exercise? This is not going to be your exercise. No, ellipse is not your exercise. It's just for your information, okay? Ellipse is not going to be. Okay, that's why I think he's worried. Let me see. Okay, now watch it again. Maybe I'm thinking to give you as an exercise, because I showed it too many times. All right. Now watch it carefully. This guy who is asking, let's say this is 100 mm. Okay, the major axis is 100 mm. So mark it A, B, and this is C, D. CD is, let's say, 70 mm. Okay, this is 70 mm. So this is given. So the major axis is 100, minor axis is 70. So first mark it. Take your minute after and draw the horizontal line AB, and find the answer. Center is 550, or you can draw the bisection of these two, find the center, and then you can draw this 70 again, no problem. Do you understand? And then the next step is to join AC. Join A and C, and then extend this CD line, and now take O as the center, OAS radius, and draw the circle. We will cut this at here. Let's say this is, let's say C dash. And after that, take C and C dash, right, as the radius, and draw a circle here, a semicircle. So it will cut it here, all right, C dash. Now you have to bisect these two. Now the other one, maybe you can put A dash. Now A dash as the, you have to bisect this A dash and draw the bisection line, join it to this CD line here. Okay. Very similarly, now take the point which is cutting at there, and from there you have to do one more and join these two very similarly. At the center, the other side you have to join it. Okay, the bisection line, now it has to be joined. Similarly, you have to make the other side and join these two together. That's it. That's it. Once you make this, very now the point, let's say this is, let's say E, C, D. So this is D. Let's say this is D. This is E. Now take D as center, DA as radius, and join the arc. And after that, very similar here, EB take E as center, EB as the radius, and make the arc again. And after this, the next step is to take the bottom here. Let's say this is EF. So F as center, and this point where it meets here as this radius, and draw this. Very similarly, take this as FG as center, and this point as the radius, and finish this line. Now what they say, this is the tangent 1, then this is tangent 2, tangent 3, and tangent 4. and this is how you have to make the ellipse. It is very easy. Now you see the difference. This is pretty easy, but what different what you have seen in the what do you call it, in the YouTube is that this guy, he made everything okay, but he makes everything with bisection lines. So that's the only difference. Otherwise, it's going to be very, very easy. I hope you understand this. Any questions now? This is the fifth time I'm showing it. Still, you have any doubts? Please, how much do we extend the minor? How much do we extend the minor? You extend until it reaches there. There's no point. Extension means you can extend forever. Okay, let me. His question is, uh, see, this is just an extension line. So what we need is to draw a line that cuts here, correct? So you extend it approximately until it cuts. If it doesn't cut, then you extend further, and then you cut it until it cuts it there. There is no specific, length for this. You just extend it until it cuts here. Clear? Okay. And this guy is so worried. Any other questions, please? Clear. Okay. I will give you a size for ellipse, and then you can draw it. Okay. All right. Okay. Somebody say no. Who is this guy? No means you are not clear. Okay. If you are not clear, you will get 0 mark in your exam. Fine. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. Let's see now. These people really makes me. I show you the YouTube video 2 times. I show my uh, graphics 2 times, explain it 2 times, 6 times, and still you are not clear, huh? Okay, that's great. That's really great. All right. Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, now what you're going to do is to check your assignments online so that everyone here, you are continuously making mistakes, and we will see each one of you your own grades now, and please be there. We will make it quickly, and then we'll go to the chapter 3. Okay, everyone is here, right? Let's see your attempts, how you are doing it, and let's see how much mistake you are making. Okay, this is the guy. What's his name? Okay, I don't know who is this person. Let's see if he's never he put any of his. All you can see yours, right? Okay, his name is not given. Hmm? He did not put his name. How do I know his name? Hmm? Also, no name, no number, no name, no number. So how can I give marks to him? Hmm? Anyway, he already got some marks, so we'll leave it to him. Last attempt. Huh? He got 4.5. What's his name? Who is this? Who is this? What's your number? You have no idea what to do? Huh? Anyway, so what mistakes he made? He should have put the margin first. Okay, margins here 10 mm, and this side is 25 mm, and the other side is 10 mm, and also bottom he has to make the what do you call it, a margin, and from the margin I want to check every time the nameplate of his. So this is his. So here is the name, metric number, exercise, and so on. So please do this, so you'll get full marks. All right. So probably that's why I send other draw. Okay, whatever it is, whoever it is. This is a mistake. Never repeat again. I know you can attempt many, but I need the margin. I want to see the margin. I want to see the nameplate, at least one nameplate. Okay? If there are 3 drawings, I understand. You are taking the
Doctor, doctor,
wait, wait. Let me finish. Wait. Let me finish.
doctor.
Wait. Let me
Okay.
finish. You wait. Let me finish. You wait. So I know you are taking 3 drawings in one single A3 sheet. It's fine. So at least in one of the drawing, I want to see the nameplate, so that I know that you have done the proper procedure. So for this person, although he put 3 drawings, I know it's all in the same sheet, but I want to see at least one or another way. I want to see the nameplate at least. Okay. Now you tell me what's your point.
I sent other assignment in the
Who's
same time. Yeah, go to attended for attended two
no, no, no. I think
upside.
no, I don't know. But this is what I got it from the.
There is two of
Uh,
two. There is two of two. You mark me for one, not the two.
I don't know, but if mark is already given, that this is your mark. That's it. Okay. Let's
Give me,
see.
give it me the two in the one I sent, not the two.
I don't know. Yeah, there's only one attempt. Now onwards, I'm going to give you
لا,
only one attempt. Mm.
there is look at Abdullah Yahya فوق.
Mm. What's your name?
Attempted two of two. Attempted two of two.
Wait, what's your name?
Third one.
Muhammad Abdul Khalik Abdullah Yahya.
Yeah.
Okay, you got 4.5 already. All right. So that's it. Let's see. Check your only. I have no time for this. So let's see. We'll go to the next. You already got 4.5. That's it. Okay. So let's see the next one. Let me see who is this guy. Hello. There are
Yes.
6 pictures and 4 drawings in total. Okay. Where are 1, 2, 3? Where is the name and number? Huh? Okay. Very nice. Good. 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 All right. This guy is good. Who is this guy? Hassan 2040588. Hassan, you are very good. Appreciate. This is what I really appreciate this guy. See how nicely he made it. This guy deserves a very good. Hassan, really good. Really, really good. Very nice. And now what Hassan made here, maybe a very slight little correction here. First of all, let's congratulate Hassan. You're doing very nice job here. So just add on more and mark it here. Just write it name and metric number, exercise, and so on. You will be perfect. You understand? And this is very good. And you don't need to uh, write the dimension now, okay? But you have written the dimension. It's very nice, and I really appreciate that. And how much marks? 4. So you got 4 out of 4, and I will say it is good. Okay. So let's see his 4 out of 4 means 100% marks. His number is 2040500. 500. What is his name? There's no name 500. 500 or 600? Awesome. What's his name?
Doctor,
Hmm. 588,
it's
huh?
yeah,
588.
it's one. Yes.
Okay, good. All right, all right. So his homework 3, he got 4 out of 4. That is very good. Great going. All right. Okay, guys, please see this is what I am expecting from all of you. I need the margins. Very nice. He put it for, see here, he gives 25 millimeters, 10 millimeters. Very nice. Here also he gives 10 millimeters. Excellent. On the top also, I'm sure there will be 10 millimeters. And he put it very nicely. And I'm very happy. See his, even his nameplate. Nameplate is very good. He did not use the freehand sketch. He simply write very nicely. And only missing thing, I'm sure, Hassan, next time you do this, okay? You just make it here name, because I want to know what it is. Name, metric number, EN2, that's your subject number, and exercise number. If you do that, perfect. I think you are very good. Very nice. And then, yeah, this is all very good. There is no need to check everything. I think he has done very well, pretty well. And let me see the drawing 4 also. I'm sure this guy is very good. Excellent. I do not even want to see it. He's good. Really good. So if you guys are doing like this, I'll be very happy. I'm sure this guy will do the ellipse. See? Very nice. It's the ellipse actually. This is what you have seen now. See? Excellent. So only thing he has to make it is this one. This also I would say very good. Appreciate that. See? Excellent. Excellent. So only thing is Hasan, this also I accept it. Very nice. Only thing there's nothing else. Okay. This is also good. However, this guy will get some bonus later. I'm sure. Okay, I'll give him some bonus maybe. It's Hasan. Okay. I'll give him some bonus. I'll mark him as green. Green means he's getting some bonus later. Okay. Let me check his attendance. 100% attendance. See this guy. He's very good. He attended all the classes, and only the first exercise he is only 3.5. Definitely, I'm going to give him some raise as a bonus. Let me see. And second exercise, 5 out of 5. Third, 4 out of 4. Excellent. Excellent. Keep it up. Okay. You all got it? What to do now? This Hasan is very good. And the next one is, okay, Abdullah Ayman Gamlu. Okay, Abdullah is also doing very well, and he make it 488. This is 488. Abdullah. 488. Okay, Abdullah Ayman Hussein Komlo is also good. Let me see his performance now. Okay, when you see his work is excellent. I think this group is good. Okay, maybe the other group is very bad. See, this guy is very good. He just take a scan, and for to help me, this is excellent, excellent. Actually, I like it. But is he doing it properly? The radius, I think this radius is not correct. Let's see. Please check the radius. It is. I don't think this is correct because the radius should be perfect. No? Please check. This radius is not correct. This is wrong. And this radius, you please check this out because this is what. This is okay. This is also correct. Abdullah, you have to check these two. Okay. This is not at all radius. This is wrong because you make it like this, which is not. Here also the radius is not correct. Your method something wrong. And here you wrote it in the freehand. So please, it should be always capital letters only, and then make it. Oh, that's okay. But like Hasan made more professional. Okay, here you made two mistakes, and then let's see. This is wrong. This is also wrong. I think you are wrong. So we will get 1 and 2. You will get, instead of 4, you are going to get 2 marks. So since he did very well, I'll give him extra 0.5. So this is your mark. You understand, all of you? So Gamlo is 2.5 now. Gamlo, I will give you 1 chance. Oh, you got 3. Okay, the system gives you 3. That's fine. I think you got your marks. You might be lucky. I gave you 2.5, but the system gives you 3. Oh, that's good. Anyway. Okay, let's see the next one. See this guy. What's his name? Abdul Had Al Khathani. What's wrong with him? He did not write anything. A, B, C, D, nothing. He simply wrote. Guys, please. The point here is at least you should write something here. Let's say exercise 1. And what is this? It's okay. It looks okay, but I did not give you this lines. It's okay, but not complete. You understand? It looks good, but it's not complete. See, even the other guy also did very well. Nothing you show it anything here, but his margin is there. Maybe a little more. Anyway, Abdul Hadi, you have to improve a little more, Abdul Hadi. You are okay, but you have to improve a little more. Next time when you draw it, I need clear indication that these lines should be thin lines, and only this should be thick line. You understand what I'm saying here? So if at all this should be the thick line, and this should be thick line, and this should be thin lines actually. Yeah, this should be also thin line. It should not be thick. So in the first class, I clearly mentioned that there should be thick lines and thin lines. Thin lines are used to draw, and thick lines are the border lines. So there you have. Okay, but anyway, you have to improve a little more. Okay, I'm not reducing the marks but definitely you will see. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3.5 over 4. So the system will take you 4 out of 4. But next time I'm going to reduce your marks. If you make the mistake again, you understand? You are okay. You are very good. Your margin is okay. Your nameplate is okay. Everything is okay. Except you have to clearly distinguish between the thick lines and thin lines, such that I will know which one is the. Because I don't know whether you have to draw. Why you make this as thick lines? You understand what I'm trying to say here? Because these these two lines are there, right? You know what you have to do? Let me show you here. If you have to draw, first draw the thin lines, right? First draw the thin lines. How to draw thin lines? So suppose if you want to make this here, so first draw the thin lines here and other line. Okay, this is the line, and then you have to draw. So mark these lines here. And this as the center, and then you take the thick line and draw the actual here. So once you do this, then you draw. Okay, this is what you want, this, right? So you have to clearly show the thin lines and thick lines. You understand what I'm saying here? Okay, all of you? Okay. His number is what? His number is 24505. 505. Abdul Hadi Jalawi Abdul Hadi Al Katani. So it's going to be 3.5. He got 4 out of 4. System is giving him 4. Okay, I think I can give him 4, no problem. Because his mistakes are not that bad. But definitely next time I'm going to reduce your marks. You understand? Next time it's going to be, you will never get full marks. You understand? Okay. The next guy is, let's see who is he. Okay. Yeah, he's good. This guy is really good. Hmm. See, he's very good. Excellent. What's his name? 204030. Let's see. 4030. His number is 204030. 030. I don't see his number. What's his name? 030. What's his number? It's not there. What's his name? Abdul Majid. Abdul Majid. Where's Abdul Majid?
Doctor is number 9.
Your number is not there? Oh, okay. 304. Your number is wrong, eh? Your number is 2040304. But what you write here? You write wrongly. What's your number? ID. Abdul Majid. Seriously, is this your number? Come on, speak out. Huh? 2040304. Did you miss one number? He missed 4 actually. Huh? 2, 4, 6, 7 numbers. Here he write 2, 4, 6 numbers only. What a mistake you make it. Are you Abdul Majid right at least? Huh? Okay. Don't make the mistake again, but he is very good. One of the best now. One of the best. Absolutely no problem. Good, 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 good. Absolutely good. No doubt about it. Please, everyone, watch this. He draw the margins. He used the A3 sheet, and he make the arcs very nicely. Thick lines, thin lines. I can see that. You see, this is a very good drawing. Absolutely good drawing. See the thin lines and thick lines. He make it. Hmm? Very nice. Keep it up. So, mistakes he makes his mistake on his own number. Huh? I cannot believe it. 4 out of 4. Very good. Keep it up. So watching this will give me happy. You know that people should draw like this. Huh? All right, let's see the next guy. Okay, he's also good. Khalid, name Khalid 2040263. Khalid, you make the thick lines, thin lines a little more, but I don't find fault with you. I think you're okay. Khalid, huh? I think this group is good. 204026263. Khalid Muhammad Jabar Al Bukhari. Check your marks also online. So, okay, the next guy, Faris. Faris Ali. Hmm. Okay, Faris, only one drawing. Where are the other drawings? Attempt. Only one drawing? What happened to the others? Faris, are you there?
No, doctor. Go down.
What?
Go down.
Okay. Oh, good, 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 good. Okay, Faris, I think you're okay, but only thing now you see about how the other people did this. So I can see the, what do you call it, the margins. And, okay, for now it's no problem, of course. But just make this as thin lines, okay? 777 is also good. What did it? What is this? Oh, I think he take a scanner, which is not good, huh? Why the circle is different? Your paper, you did not put it properly?
It is because of the scan.
Oh, it's a scan, okay. So next time you do it properly, okay? Otherwise you lose marks for it, huh?
Go down, doctor. You can see the hole.
All right, good. Yeah, you're scanning only problem. Okay, very good. Very well. This is good. This is good. This also good. Only what happened to this? Where is the where is it? I don't see it. Huh? Where is?
I draw it.
You're right, but I cannot see it. That's why I told you, you keep those darker, use a HP pencil, okay? And for this one, you have to use 2H or H pencil so that I can see it. Huh? Anyway, not a bad,
Okay.
I think you're okay. I will give you full marks. Next time, don't make the mistakes again, okay? Next time
Okay.
I'll be very strict next time. This time I'm giving you marks, no problem. But you won't get the good thing, good, no good. Anyway, it's okay. I'm sure you will improve. I think Forrest can improve a lot. 777. Huh? I think he'll be okay. 777. Where is it? Okay. All right. Good. I don't see. Oh, yesterday I've seen some very bad drawings. Today I can see all are good. Must. Okay. Who is this here? Okay. That's this guy. What's his name? Oh, Adnan Barashi. Who is he? Adnan, you are here? Okay. Adnan, you make some mistakes. Let me show you what mistakes you make it. I think this is freehand. Don't do freehand. Don't do it. It seems you do it with the freehand. Huh? Never do that. Double lines. So if you write, just should 15 only, because you write in the nameplate, you write all dimensions are millimeters, right? So you don't need to write millimeters everywhere. Just put 15. That's it. Or 15 is good enough. And don't put equal. Just put or 15. That is good. Dia 20. That is good. Don't write millimeters anymore. Okay. So here it is the freehand sketch, which is wrong. See, I don't know. Hmm? Somewhere thicker, somewhere thinner. Oh, oh, see this. I think this is a freehand. Huh? See the distance here and the distance there. It's not tangent. And this is sad. This is. I think you have to improve a lot. Hmm. See, this is freehand. Freehand. Very bad. Very bad. This is wrong. This is okay. This is okay. Okay, never write small letters. Always caps. So it should be add nan Barashi. So this is wrong. This is wrong. ID 774. So how many mistakes you make it? 1, 2, 3. So I don't want to reduce this marks. Huh? Adnan, this is the first time. That's why I'm giving you this mark. Otherwise, next time you will get 0. Careful. You got it, Adnan? You understand what mistakes you made it today? 774. 774. Adnan is here or what? Adnan, are you here? Are you there? I don't. Okay. You understand what mistakes you made? So I hope you will do it better. You have some problems, but it should be okay. Never, never try to draw freehand. Never again. Next time, if I see anything you draw freehand, you will get 0. You understand? Never, ever. Okay, now I think I'm sure you will improve. Next time, let me see. Okay. And then who is? Who is this guy? He doesn't understand what is a tangent. Huh? What is that? Sun. 757. See, you don't put the thick line here. Sultan, how much mark I can give you? 757. 757, where is he? Sultan Saad Hamid Al Khatti, 2.54. Two marks this time. So next time you don't make the mistake again, okay? Sultan, do you hear me? Thick and thin lines shall be here. Sultan, are you here? You understand what you made? What mistakes you made? This is not the tangent. Tangent should be, I told you, somewhere like this. Everyone did this. And this is thick lines. If you make mistakes next time, you will get 0. Today only I am giving you marks. However, next time you will get 0. Careful. All right. Guys, you hear me? What I'm saying? Do you hear me? Please go for the prayer. Which time? Just let me know when you're going prayer. If you want to go, just let me know. Now, guys, you want to go for prayer now? 6, 9. Okay. So how much? I'll give you 10 minutes break. So we'll meet by 6:30. Okay. 10 minutes. We'll meet at. Okay, all of you. No emails. Don't send me an email. Email will not get marks because only through the what do you call it, in your Blackboard only get the grades. What I'm making it is for my own record, but finally Blackboard only give you marks, not me. So you be careful. I'm giving you only the 10 marks, your profile, portfolio, and attendance. Okay, the remaining everything is from the Blackboard. So be careful. Don't send me through email, please. It will not help you. Okay. I had a problem with the Blackboard. Oh, you have a problem. Okay. So you have what problem? Maybe do one thing. If you have problems, send me the same drawings with the next assignment. Okay. That time you write it. This is the third assignment, so I'm submitting it. I will get your idea. You understand? Next time when you send the next assignment, send this also with that one. Okay. Technical error, no problem. So next time the next assignment when you submit, you add it together and send it to me. Okay. I will give you grade. No problem. All right, guys, go for the break after the prayer. Thank you very much. Welcome back. So I hope you all hear me now. You're back from the prayer. Okay, let's continue our assignment today. So we are correcting the assignments so that everyone can see your mistakes, so that you can improve your performance and get more grades in the next time. Right. Okay. The other person now. Who is it? Okay. Let's check this grade for, I don't know who it is. Okay, this is good. Who is this person? Abdul Rahman, 2040409. 409. 409. Let's see. Wait, Abdul Rahman. Okay, here is Abdul Rahman Muhammad Atallah Al Anzi. So, Abdul Rahman, there's no problem with you, but you see the difference now? What mistakes you made now? Let's see. You are okay, your margin is good. So, the margin is very nice. So, this is good. And here is also good. I think there's no wrong in it. Only thing is here I want to know how you make this. Okay, so something like this you have to draw. But anyway, I think you are okay. You will improve a lot. But maybe you know what I mean, right? When you check the other people, others' work, your work is very good, no doubt about it. But I want to just see whether you have followed the procedure or not. Okay, otherwise you are good, and this is excellent. Of 409, you get 4 out of 4. Okay, good going. I think you have no problem. You will improve. You will improve a lot. I'm sure you can. Not much complaint. 2040995. See this guy, huh? All right. Oh, here is the zero. 935. Asil. 935. Asil. Where is 935? 995. Asil, huh? 995. Asil Ali Hassan Al Zarani. What you did here? What are you doing here? Huh? Hmm? I asked you to draw the uh, radius. And what you did here? Can you hear me? Hmm? What are you doing here? You don't even touch this, huh? And your radius is somewhere here, huh? And this is thick line. Why? Is this radius? Wrong. You understand what you made, what mistakes you made it? You have seen the others also, right? So I told you earlier that this will be thin line. So this thin line should be, I told you earlier, this should be thin line, right? This is a thin line. And draw it a thick line there. Huh? So now you have to draw a thick line which joins these two. Huh? You are totally wrong. Huh? That's why you got wrong here. Oh, this is absolutely wrong. This freehand sketch, absolutely wrong. 935 Asil 935 995 Asil. You got 0 this time. Do it all over again. Send me next time. You will get some marks. Okay. This time you got 0. Asil. You understand what mistake you made? You remember that? Check with your friends. You don't know how to draw a tangent line. Even you don't know how to draw a radius. It's very sad. Only, yeah, this is okay. Your nameplate is okay, and your margins are good. Okay, I'm not giving you 0. Maybe I'll give you some 0.1. This is only for your nameplate. Huh? A seal. You want to improve? You have to improve a seal. Careful. Got 1 mark. So please be careful. Azil, are you here? Where is Azil? Say yes or no. Azil is here in this class or not now? So Azil, you hear me, right? I'll give you one more chance. What do you do? Next time, when you submit the other assignment, do this assignment also and submit to me so that I will give you some more marks. Do you understand? You won't get full marks, by the way, but you will get some 50% marks if you do it correctly. Next time also, if you make mistakes, there will be simply 0. You hear me? Okay. So just check what mistakes you made and check others people how they did this, and maybe you can speak to them. Hassan has done very well, and there are some other people who have done very well. Speak to them and then get it done, because this subject is anyway you have to work. See, every week we are correcting it. You are earning your grades. So your grade is what you are going to earn. There's nothing you can write the exam, and every class you have to do some work, so you cannot escape. So be careful. All right. The next one is who is the acid is done. Okay. Who is it? Where is it? Okay. Next one is name Abdullah Al Asmari 240. Very nice. This guy, you see, excellent. I like it. 600 600. Okay, 600 is Abdullah Muhammad Abdul Al Asmari. Very nice. This person is good, no doubt about it. You know, he did not make more mistakes, and last time also I think he is okay. Excellent. This is a very good drawing. In fact, this is one of the best drawings. I can see that. Abdullah Asmari 600. Oh, this guy is good. He get 100. So far, he get 5 out of 5, 3 out of 3, 4 out of 4. 100% marks he get, this guy. So people, you have to check with these kind of people and get some idea, okay? So he is very good. First exercise, 20 out of 20. Second exercise, 5 out of 5. Third exercise, 4 out of 4. Excellent. So the previous guy, who was his name? Asmari. Oh, no, the other guy, Sultan, and on the others, you have to meet this guy, you have to call this person, and he is doing very well. You can check with them and how he is making. His is very good. He even put the numbers, the way he put the name, everything looks good. Absolutely one of the best performance. So that's why I put excellent. I did not put good even. He's very good. So please, people should follow this kind of people. If you have any doubts, you can call him, speak to him, so he will help you. Who is this guy? Abdullah Asmari, please help others. Eh? If they call you, just help them. Then you are good. Okay, now who is this guy? Sultan 107. Sultan seems to be okay. Okay, Sultan. Only thing is, Sultan, the your drawing is good. Margins are good. No problem. Only think about the thick and thin lines. Okay. Here, thick and thin lines. Otherwise, I think you are good. See, his is also okay. Name, he write it. But Sultan, please use some, uh, some templates, so it'll be easier. Right? Use the template because your writing is not that good. Better if you use the template, then you'll get good marks in your exam. Okay? 107 Sultan. 107, where is Sultan? Sultan Muhammad Abdul Munim Al Salami. You will get full marks. I think Sultan is okay. Good. I think he made something wrong here. Is it? Free? Huh? Why you made freehand here? Doesn't seem to be.
No, doctor, it's not free.
Why you write it here? It looks very difficult. No, it's not. It's not. It looks weird, Sultan. I thought you are good. Huh? Anyway, at this time, the benefit of doubt I am giving you. Never again. Okay. All right. This also see your thick lines. Huh? And this is wrong. This is wrong. You disappoint me. Small r. This is okay. Oh no! Again here, I think you made a mistake. Okay. Sultan, not going to get full marks. By the way, this is not tangent. Tangent should be somewhere here. Remember that because when you draw this line, this point must be on the tangent. So when you draw this here, this should be 90 degrees. That is tangent. It's not tangent. I think you have made some mistake somewhere here. Hmm. Sultan, you disappoint me. Not going to get full marks here. Okay, Sultan, you understand what mistakes you made, okay? Next time, I'm sure you will improve. Where you make the mistake, you understand? Where is Sultan? I'm sorry, but you are okay. You got 4 in the first, 3 out of 3, second 100% here. Okay, I think you are okay. There's a great chance that Sultan will improve because Sultan is already in the A plus range, so it's okay. Sultan, you hear me? You'll be okay. Just try to improve a little more. You'll be okay. All right? Let's see. Okay, who is this? Huh? See, this is also okay. Muhammad. Muhammad is very good. Muhammad Yahya. Excellent. So, Sultan, you see the others. That's why don't feel bad about it. I am trying to help you guys, so then you will be, finding it more easier in the exam itself. So, just I'm trying to show you what mistakes you're making it. These mistakes can be easily correctable. You can correct it. All right. So, please don't write mm here. No need to write mm. And I think here his tangent is wrong because this is the line here. You have to join from here actually. Okay. This is okay. This is correct. This is also correct. This is correct. All right. Only thing is here only he made a mistake. No. Name is very good. 178 Muhammad Yahya. 178 Muhammad Yahya. 178 Muhammad Abdul Khalik Abdullah Yahya. Let me see how much we can give it him. How many mistakes he made? Muhammad Abdul Yahya. Okay, I think okay, Muhammad Yahya is okay, except only one small mistake. So I'll give him like he's okay. I think he will improve. Muhammad, I'm just reducing 0.5 only. So officially you are 4 out of 4. Next time if you make mistakes, you will be losing marks. Do you understand? Yahya, you are here? Okay, just see what mistakes you made it here. You are okay, you are very nice, excellent. But except that this here you make a mistake here. I think this is okay. This side is okay, but only here you make the mistake. Very slight mistake somewhere you make it. I don't know where. And also thick and thin lines you should be careful. This should be thin. Oh, you will be all right. You got 3.5. But see, you got already 4 out of 4. System will give you 0.5 extra. So you're okay. But for me, you just got 3.5. But for the system, you will get 4. All right. Okay, the next one is Muhammad Yahya. Okay, again. Why is again? Is it again? Attempt 2. Okay. Okay, then attempt. Who is this? Yes, Suhaib 633. 633 Suhaib. Okay, Suhaib Ali Hussain Saleh. Okay. What he did. Oh, wow. Oh, I think he made a mistake here. Let's see. His margins are good, no problem. Margins and nameplate is good, so that's why he's okay. Nameplate is good. Only thing is he has to write name, number, and so on. Okay, name, a metric number, and so on. This is okay. And let's see what the rest of this thing. This is double line. This is okay. See the radius, the tangent is wrong here. I don't know how he draw this. Here is totally wrong. This is wrong. This how two. Let me see only one. Oh, he made it the old one, eh? Okay, this is last one. Oh my God, why? Why draw a Harmayan road, eh? Makkah to Medina road he draw. He did not draw the lines, eh? Why? Huh? I asked you to draw the line, not the road, eh? Anyway, to survive 633, no problem, no problem. I'll give you some marks. 633. Okay, you already got 5 out of 5. Why you do it again? You already 5 out of 5. And second 3.5. Okay, you are good. Why you send it again? Huh? Otherwise, you'll be losing marks. Huh? You already got the marks, so don't worry. Why should we correct this? So you got it. Only this one. Huh? Okay, so I'm not giving the other marks. You already got good marks, so why should we reduce it? Here, this is a small mistake. This is wrong, so you'll get 3, 4. Swipe as 4. Good. You know what mistakes you made it now, right? Please those mistakes in the future. I think you made a mistake here. This is totally wrong. The tangent is wrong. When you see the others, you can see now, right? And here also some mistakes, but it's fine. The two radiuses are okay, but only thing is you should not write with thick lines and double lines. So double lines, so don't use double. All right, so you don't lose much marks. You're okay. Then here is Nadeem. Nadeem, what is his name? Oh, his name is not visible. Huh? Let's see. His name is Nadeem. His name is 613. Muhammad Nadeem. Muhammad Nadeem. So Muhammad, you should not caps, okay? So please make sure that everything you write it will be in caps, okay? And also we see from here, I think this is okay. I think you're okay. This is correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. This is correct. Nadeem is okay. I think it's also correct. So all are okay for Nadeem. I think he is fine.
Doctor, I have something to tell you about the first homework, the hand sketch.
Whatever.
Freehand.
Yeah.
You didn't give me a full mark, but I'm very sure that I deserve a full mark.
No, no, not. I've seen you. You draw the Hermione road. You don't deserve it. Okay, stop.
No,
Once you get
the stairs, the one you told us to.
that is fine. That is fine. Because that first assignment marks included both actually, right? They were 3 dimension and 2 dimension together. So when you make a mistake in the 2 dimension, also you'll be losing marks. You understand?
No, I draw it by 3 dimension, but I think you didn't give me a full mark because I used tools. I didn't use.
Okay. Anyway, you got your marks. I did not take this time whatever you sent. That is not correct. So the previous mark stands. Okay.
It's okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, here Nadeem, I think you are okay, no problem. I think you are four. You deserve 4 out of 4. Only thing is, next time don't ever write in the nameplate like this. Nadeem, you hear me, Mohammed Nadeem? Next
Yes,
time
yes.
use a template and write your name correctly. You will get full marks. Now only also you got 4 out of 4, so don't worry. You got
Okay, thank you.
Nadeem full marks. Huh? Nadeem 613. Muhammad Mansoor Hamid Nadeem. Yes, you got full marks now. So far, you're good. Actually, first 5 out of 5, second 3 out of 3, third 4 out of 4. Okay, the first you got 4.25, so that's fine. I think it'll be okay. So in the A plus range, so just keep it up the same. Okay, good. All right, Nadeem. Next one is, oh yeah, see this guy, Ziad, Ziad 994. Absolutely has no idea. Ziad, what is it? Ziad, Ziad number is 994. Ziad 994. Let's see where is in 994. Ziad Abdul Salam Ahmad Al Jaddani. Okay, Ziad, let me see what you have done here. Okay, what you have done. Please don't repeat the same mistakes again in the future. Uh, you see, this is okay. Line should be it's okay. Okay, this is okay. Don't write anymore. Stop it because it's all dimensions are in so no need to draw again. And this is also okay. I don't find any problem there. ZL is good. Okay, only thing is this the tangent is here, but it is here. I don't know. There's something wrong with your tangent. Hmm? Okay, then this is wrong. But not that wrong. Still, you are okay. I might give you. Your names are okay. I think your name is also good, but please use a template like others. So you buy the template. Template is like five real, maybe maximum 10 real. Buy a good template and write your name neatly, and so you will get good marks. You understand me? Although your writing is good, no problem, but still it will give you. You see the other guy Hassan how he did that. So just stick with that. It will be okay. I think you are good. You will improve. You've been A plus, I think, 20994 ZR 3.5. ZR 3.5 here, and I hope you will improve a lot. You have no problem. I think you should get good marks. These people who are getting 3.5, I'm sure they will get A or A plus. Only I'm worried about those people who are getting 0. So those people should be worried. Huh? Just pay some more attention, you'll be all right. Okay, the next one is what's this guy? Abdulaziz Sanguf. Oh, Sanguf, you make, I think you make a printout or what? The brothers, huh? How they made it, huh? Did they use some printing or what? I don't know. Sanguf, yeah, I'm surprised. How he made this? The drawings are very different. Sanguf, are you here? Huh? Why you type it in the from your computer? Don't ever. I told you to write using your pencil and using a template. Huh? Never again. I will give you 0 next time if you do that. Do you understand me? Why you use the typing now? You should not use typing. Huh? See how the other people are doing it. So please, next time, write it and name. Right? You buy a template and number, exercise, and so on. Don't do it again, okay, Abdulaziz? Sangu, the brothers, huh? 192, 192, two brothers. Yes, Abdulaziz, Sulaiman, Obay, Sangu. Never again, Sangu. See, I don't know what you did. Your drawings looks weird. Huh? Did you take a printout or something? It looks very different. It's not like manually drawn. You use a robot or what? Did you use something else? Why your drawings looks weird? Not like manual drawing. Some professional or some robot or some computer draw this. Huh? I don't know how to correct this. Huh? Did you use any software? Tell me, please. Hmm? Where is the draw arcs? You make it. Nothing is shown, and you can. I think you have downloaded it somewhere because I can see you have typed this. Huh? Sangu, next time I will watch. If you do the same mistake, you'll be getting 0. I'm not very happy with what you have done because it looks very different. It doesn't look to be like manually made. It's something else. Since you have typed it here, use a printer or something. I'm not sure. Anyway, I believe in you. Next time I will watch you, Sangu. So please be careful. This looks good, but where is the arcs? How you made it? Huh? Where are the methods? Here also something. Where it is there? Huh? How can I check whether you have done it rightly or not? Reducing your marks to 1 mark. Next time it will be 0. Careful. This is wrong. Next time it will be 0. So next time I want to see how you make it. I want a pencil drawing. With all, you are right. You are good. If you do this like this, you are excellent. But I'm not sure because I'm worried that you have printed this somewhere. I don't know how you print this, huh? Which is wrong. I never told you to print. You understand my point? Will you change it next time? You change it, otherwise you'll lose marks. But that's it. Huh? Let me see his brother. Other one. Who is this? Modasami. Osama. Osama is good. Huh? Osama, but where is the other? I see. Looks the same. Huh? Osama is okay. Osama 260. Osama Knife Habib Ala Al Salma. Okay, Osama. I think this is good. This is correct. This is also correct. This is something wrong with the, because I want to see how you make this, huh? The tangent. Hmm? So that's why I suspect this. This also, I don't know how you make it. This one, how you make it. Huh? So these two, I'm not going to give you marks, and this is okay, 260. So 1, 2, and I'm going to reduce the marks. So here, we'll get only. You understand why you lose the marks here, Osama? Next time, don't do that. 260. And you check others how they make it. Huh? I can see from how they did it. Okay, who is this? Iyad, 496 Iyad. 496. Iyad Abdulaziz Awad Al Zahrani. Okay, Iyad, I think you are okay. Let me see. Uh, this is wrong. One SR. Saudi Riyal? What did I write? 15, oh, 15 radius we put. So we put or 15, okay? And don't do this. This is okay. And I don't know how you draw it. You don't put the center and like this. So this is, I don't know how you make it. I'm sure you have used something else. It's not the campus. I think this is wrong. This is here, so but you started here. Oh, this is wrong. This is wrong. Absolutely wrong. Okay. This is also wrong. So this is correct. This is correct. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is totally wrong. Hmm? Here, you understand what mistakes you are making, you know? Okay. Now who is this guy? Doesn't put no name. Scan it. Scan it. Ryan Assis. Ryan. Ryan, did he put the margin? I have no idea. Did you draw the margin? All right, Ryan, let me see. Where is the center? Where is the radius? How you draw it? Huh? Tell me. You draw or something. And here also, I know how you draw it. This is here. This should be there. Okay. This is wrong because how you make this? Let me know. Where is the point and how you draw it? Huh? Without the method, how can I give this marks to you? Huh? You simply use something else. Huh? You use the template and then you draw it. Huh? Understand your point? Your mistakes, Mr. Ryan? Ryan, are you here? So Ryan, system, I'm reducing your marks because next time I will see this is correct, this is correct, but these two method is wrong. So I'll be losing marks here. You know, because your nameplate is very good, that's why you're getting this 0.5 mark extra. Otherwise, you'll be. Next time I will check yours. You understand? Ryan, 318. So technically, you will get 3 marks. See, the system gives you 3, but you don't deserve 3 marks. You know that. For me, I gave you only 2.5. So careful. You understand? Some Ashik Ahmed. Ahmed also tried very good. I think Ahmed is okay. Let's see. Because I could see whether he worked or not. Some people they don't work. Simply they draw. I don't know how. See, this guy is working very. Okay, let me see. I don't know how he drew this. Huh? he tried it. Huh? Don't worry, let's see. This is okay. Only you make a mistake here, Ahmed. Next time, please use a template. So you'll be, I think you are okay. You're good. Only next time try to use a template. So you'll be perfect. Got me? Only. So use a template. Because you see, A is bigger, M is smaller. You should write Ahmed equally. See? All should be, but M is smaller, A is bigger. You understand my point? 375. Next time be watchful, huh? Okay, oh, this guy. Oh my God, I think I don't know. Name Ali Hassan 78 278. Al Hassan Allabi Hassan Al Safi. What Al Hassan did, huh? See, don't worry, see. Oh, see what he made. Nice, okay. Really? Why the lines are like roads, huh? Oh, why? I don't know how he made it, huh? I think this is wrong, huh? Double lines? Why make so many? Hmm? A little thicker, but only thing is, I think you are okay. Only improve your neatness of the drawing, okay? I think you are okay, but drawing is not neat. I think this is something wrong with this. This is totally wrong. Huh? Then the diameter is also wrong. 26 millimeters. Have any explanation? Hasn't? Okay, let's see. Only this I'm worried. So please improve the neatness of your drawing, okay, next time. It looks so thick, and you are using some pen. Are you using a pen? Are you? Really? Don't use a pen, use the pencil. And don't draw here 50 mm, you don't need to. You don't need to write 50 mm and all this. Please improve this 100 mm also you don't need to. Okay? You don't need to write those things because it's already there, so you don't need to. This is not necessary. This also not necessary. Otherwise, it's okay. Okay? Just improve your draw neatly. That's it. This number is what? ID 278. Should be all right. Wrong. Oh, see, this guy name or 1960196 3096 19409 Raid Rayad Abdulaziz Uthman Al Muzal. Rayad. Okay. Rayad, I think you made a mistake here. I think one drawing is wrong. Oh, don't draw anything. What mistakes there? But it's so they should be the same, right? Here, why there's a big difference here? Hmm? Here there's this length, here this smaller length. So there will be something wrong. This is wrong. I don't know how you did this. And your nameplate is okay, but maybe make it neater. 196. Okay. So I'm going to give you right 196. Right. Next time I won't give you this many marks. Okay. Next time don't make mistakes. Careful. Rayad, are you here? Where's Rayad? Rayad. Okay. And then where's this guy? Muhammad Mohaya. I don't know why he draw like this. You should not draw your nameplate like this. It should be A3 and this should be like, I don't know, maybe to take the scan, he did like this. Don't do that again, okay? That's wrong. 45? Is it 45? Did I give you 45? Really? This is wrong. Anyway, see. This is number. What is his name? His name is Muhammad Mohaya 759. Muhammad Abdulaziz Hussain Al Mahia. Okay. Mahia, I think you are. So don't do this like this. So you should always make the landscape like this and then draw this. Okay. And this is wrong. I don't know how you make this. The people are making it very nicely. I think there is something wrong with your drawings. It is wrong. So okay, this radius is wrong. This one is okay. This one is okay. Yeah, these two are wrong. I was supposed to give you 2 marks only, but it's okay since you have done this the first time. Never again do this like this, okay? So be careful next time. Don't draw anything here. Huh? So the procedure is not there. Obey Sangu voice, brother. Same. Huh? I think copied. Huh? Where is Obay? Sangu. Obay, you are here. I'm going to give you 0. Why you and your brothers are the same? And also you also typed it. Made these things similar. Huh? I have to give you 0. There's no way. Who is Obay? Obay is here. Obay, speak to me. Where is Obay? Obay Sanguf. Are you here? Obay Sanguf. Why you write it here on this side? Nameplate should be always coming on the other side, right? I think that's it for 727 now. Let me see. Any more? So that's it. The rest, whoever did not submit it today. Anas Khatem did not submit. Abdullah Majid Obaidullah Al Qurairi. I think this guy will get DN, I am sure. First 3 classes absent. First assignment did not submit. Third assignment did not submit. Okay. So Abdullah Majid, are you here? Abdullah Majid Obaidullah Al Qurairi, are you here? Can you speak? Why you were absent for 3 weeks and then first homework 0, third homework 0? I think you are better. You are DN probably, most probably. So careful. Huh? You get 0, 0, and only got 2 marks until now. So please be prepared. Anas Khatim Saud Al Hamdan. He did not submit the assignment. And then Yusuf Khani Abdullah Majid did not submit the assignment.
Oh, doctor, I
Abdul,
submitted the homework and I have picture also, and I sent an email for you about that
where
stuff.
is it? Where is it? In the Blackboard, I could not see it. As you see here,
Yeah, I submit. I have. I just a picture before I submit, and I can
where
show
is
you
it?
the picture.
Where is it?
I
In
don't.
the what do you call it? In your Blackboard, it's not there. What can I do? Blackboard, you see here? Who is
Yeah,
this?
but
Let me see
yeah,
here.
I have that the picture that I submitted already. If you
I
want,
don't
I
know.
can send you an email about that.
No, no, no email, no email. I will not accept any email. Who is this? Only this guy. Who is his name? Number is not there. He did not put his name. Okay, I already gave him. Huh? Okay, only these people only I got it. Let me check again. Grade center needs grading. All finished. So these people, whoever say "Yeah, I submitted, I have no idea. You said you submitted, but Blackboard is not accepting it. I don't know what you did. I can give marks only from the Blackboard. I cannot give you marks for the emails. You understand? So as far as I'm concerned, Anas Khatim absent, 0 mark. I'll give a yellow. Abdullah Majid Ubaidullah, homework 3, yellow 0, homework 1, 0. All right. And then Yusuf Khani Abdullah Majid, first homework 20, second homework 5 out of 5, third homework 0. Why? Who is this Yusuf Khani?
This is me, doctor, that I told you. I've sent it. I have the picture of.
Okay, yeah, I agree because you are submitted already everything good. Maybe something wrong. Okay, you can send me through email. Fine.
Yeah, I sent
You,
it already to email before maybe today. I'm gonna send it now. Okay. Wait.
but never again. Next time,
Okay.
if you make mistakes, you will be penalized. You understand? I don't know
Yeah,
because
yeah.
first assignment you got 5 out of 5, second assignment is 5 out of 5, so 100%. Only this time I'm giving you the this thing. Otherwise, next time you'll get 0. Let me give you some color. So next time I will
Okay.
check
Thank you
yours.
very much.
Next time I will check yours. Huh? Never again. Okay. Next, Abdul Aziz Abdullah Hussein Al Murshidi. I don't know what happened to you. Murshidi also, you did not submit on time. You are here, Abdul Aziz. What happened to you? Why you didn't submit? Speak out. You got 0 otherwise. Hmm? You did not submit, huh? Why you did not submit on time?
I did, but I forget to send.
You forget to send, so you forget your mark, huh?
Okay.
Okay, do one thing because you are a good student. Next time you submit with the other assignment, okay? The next assignment, when you submit it, you send, doctor, last time I missed it. So please consider it. You send a note, I will give you some marks. Do you understand me?
Okay, okay.
I will give you some color here. So next time I will check yours. It's a honest answer. Since you have said you forgot it, it's okay. Next time, please send it with the next assignment. Talal Al Hussein Hamad Al Sharif. Are you here? Talal. Talal, are you here? Second assignment did not submit. Third assignment did not submit. You are in trouble, man. Hmm. Okay, that's it. So the rest, Ali Hassan Al Shairi also did not submit. 0. And the rest, I think all you got your marks. I'm very happy for the rest. Only these 4, except Yusuf Khani Abdullah Majid, I accept him because he got full marks last time. 20 out of 20, 5 out of 5. So I might give him maybe something wrong with the blackboard. And also Abdulaziz Abdul Hussein Al Mursari, I am giving him a chance to submit it next time. The rest all you are getting 0, and this is your final marks now until now. Anas Khatim 1.75, the remaining all 0. And Abdul Halim Abdullah Majid Ubaidullah Al Qurairi is the guy who is going to get a DN probably. He only finished his assignment 2 only he submitted, the remaining all. And he missed 3 classes, I don't know why. 3 weeks he missed it, and that's surprising. Okay, today I think you all present today. So today I'm giving you 5. All are present. So let me see. Today you all get present. Right. So here is your final marks. Until now we have made 3 homework, 3 assignments. So far total marks: first assignment 5 marks, second assignment 3 marks, third assignment 4. So 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 12 marks you already get, 12 grades, all of you. So for those, Abdullah, Majid, Obaidullah, still you have a chance. From now onwards, you attend all the classes, submit all the assignments, you will be okay. If you miss again, probably you'll lose marks. I cannot guarantee you here, pass this time. The rest, I think all of you are okay. Okay, good. All right. Any more questions about this? Don't complain to me about your blackboard and all. Blackboard, I cannot do anything.
Doctor, I have sent your name right now. Can you please check it after you're done? Or...
No, not now, not now. Later. Let me check.
Okay.
Who is it? Who is this? Who is this?
Yusuf Hanimaj.
Yusuf. Yusuf. Yusuf Hani. Okay,
Yes.
Yusuf Hani. Okay, let me check. Yeah, you are a good student. Let me
Thank you.
check. Yeah, this guy got full marks last time, so that's why I'm giving him a chance. That's why I'm always giving a chance. If you are a good student, I will always giving you a chance. But those people who are not submitting, I'm not. I will not accept it. Okay. Because now even now his number, the blackboard will not accept his marks. You understand? Yusuf,
Yes,
blackboard
yes,
will not give blackboard will not give you marks. So your mark is almost last. You understand? I
yes,
am
I
giving
understand.
only marks, and this marks will be added only for your attendance and your portfolio. So if you don't submit to the blackboard, blackboard will that's the official marks. So careful.
Okay.
Maybe I will change it next time here. Yeah, scan. Let's see his is okay. This also okay. Yusuf, you have to change your nameplate next time. Okay. Write name and number like I said before. This
Yeah, okay.
also okay. I think you are okay. Okay. Here everything is okay. Let me see. Okay, this is Yusuf. Let me see Yusuf's marks now. Okay, here you are. How to draw it? Let me download him. Let's check
Doctor.
his. Wait, don't. Let me finish him first.
Okay.
Finish this. Okay, here is okay. Then let me. Okay, let's see how we get this here. Okay. Okay. Here, this is okay. This radius is okay. I think, yeah, this radius is okay. This radius is also okay. This may be, yeah, this also okay because I can check his uh, tangent is also okay. This also correct. I don't see any problem here. Only let's see what you can do. So Yusuf, only what you have to do is to write your name here, name, number and all, okay? Otherwise you are okay.
Okay, thank you.
I'm giving you full marks, but remember, Blackboard already give you 0 mark. So you won't get full marks. And finally you'll get 1 or 2 marks you'll be losing. You understand?
Yes, I understand. Thank you, doctor.
Please, I know you are a very good student. This time you miss it. Next time, please don't miss it. And don't
Okay.
forget it. Huh?
No problem.
788. Yusuf 788. Huh? 7.
Doctor.
Where is Yusuf? 1 minute. Yusuf 783 is your number, right? Okay. I'll give you
Yes,
full
right.
marks, but the blackboard will give you less marks, 0 marks. So finally, when you see, your marks will be a little less. Let me try to make it out, but let's see. Okay, I will try to help you. No problem. Okay.
Doctor,
Yes. Now,
I sent
yes.
my homework email.
Who is this?
My name is Abdullah.
Abdulaziz Abdullah Hussein Al Morshidi.
No. Abdullah Majid.
Where? What's the
Number
number?
two. Number two.
Number 2. No. I will not accept for you because you did not send me through before that. Homework 1 you did not submit. I will not accept through email. You understand? No. Sorry. Because that guy, he already got 3 marks and he submitted all. But you did not submit the first homework, so you will not. And you were option for first 3 weeks. I will not accept. Abdullah Majid Abdullah Obaidullah, let me check your next assignment. And along with the assignment, you send me this assignment. Let me check. Right now, I will not accept your email. Do you understand? Okay. Anything else? You are option for 3 weeks, and then homework 1 you did not submit. So I think you are not a good student, or you can say you are not a regular student. Please show me your discipline from now onwards. Next assignment, you add this as well and tell me, Doctor, I missed it last time, and then I will consider it. Even then, you won't get full marks. You understand? Because this Yusuf guy now, he's also not getting full marks. He did not submit. So for me, I'm giving marks, but the blackboard will not give him marks. You understand? So once you don't submit the blackboard, you get 0. Later on the final exam, after the final exam, I will make up in the final exam marks. But before that, I can't. You understand, all of you? Blackboard is the ultimate thing. Before you submit, check with the timing, and before the deadline, you have submitted. Otherwise, you'll be losing marks. Even though Yusuf is such a good student, but still he is getting losing marks. You see, 20 out of 20, 5 out of 5, 4 out of 4, 100% he got. But unfortunately, he missed to send it through Blackboard. He will be losing some marks. I will consider him since he is a good student. Okay. All right. Any more? Anything else? Okay. Now let's finish this thing out. I think it's fine. It's also fine. Let's go back to our a new chapter. Just I have another 5 minutes. Let's start the new chapter and we'll call it a day. Guys, what do you do for today? Would you like to draw the ellipse, or we can leave it? What do you think? Do you think you can draw the ellipse, or we can leave it? Today's ellipse, I think you can leave it. Let's go direct to the orthographic projection. You understand? Okay. No more exercises today. So in the next chapter, we are going to discuss about the orthographic projection. Let me see. Okay, you can also. Chapter 2 slides using drawing tools, orthographic projection. Okay, the next chapter is orthographic projection, and the topic we are going to discuss is object representation, multi-view projection. You have already done it. You remember, in the first chapter you have done freehand. This time you draw it with scale. That is the only difference. Do you understand what I'm saying? Remember, on the first time, you make the freehand sketches, the 2 dimensions. You remember that? This, and you extend this line, and you have to draw like this. You remember that? Right? That was freehand. This time you are using it by using the tools. That's the one with multi-view projection, glass box concept, point, line, plane, surface, and object. Okay? So that is the only thing you're going to learn. So axonometric multi-view. So if you remember this, in the first chapter itself, we have done the freehand. In the freehand, you have drawn, if you remember this, I hope you remember this, right? This. So this is what we call it as the axonometric projection here. And that time you draw it freehand, right? This time you draw it like with scale. This is 100 mm, and this is 100 mm. This is 5. This is 5, 5, 5, 5, and this what do you call it? This thickness is, let's say, 50 mm. Then it is just an axonometric. That's the only difference. Otherwise, everything is same. Do you understand? And also, the multi-view is like last time. You remember the same thing. So this time you do the same. So when you watch it, when you see it from this side, you will see this line, like this, right? So that is what you have seen here. You draw it with scale, and you have this hole. So that hole is shown here as the dotted line. And there are two holes. So the two holes can be seen from the top view. So when you see from the top view, this line you will see this, and you see this also you see. So this is what you're going to see here. This line, and two holes from the top. And only difference again here, you draw it with dimension, 10 mm, 10 mm, maybe 50 mm, and so on. The diameter will be like a diameter 22 times, this also diameter 22 times, and this length and this length, everything you are going to draw with scale. The remaining all are the same like we did last time. The only difference is last time you did it with freehand, this time you are doing it with dimensions. Is that okay? So this is the only uh, introduction I want to give you. So we'll do it in details in the next class. So I think we come to the conclusion of today's session, because I know you are already tired. Most of you have seen your marks, and most of you must be upset. I know, but this is how we have to do, and hope next time at least you will all be okay. And please remember what mistakes you made it today. Never draw freehand again. No freehand anymore. Just use your uh, freehand no more. Only tools. Then the next thing is what we have done, the margins, then nameplate, then your all are important. So these are very important. And then third one is the dimensioning. All dimensions are already in mm, so you don't need to write mm again. Suppose if this is R15, you just write R15 only. Mm not required, because you already write all dimensions are in mm. You understand? So don't write mm anywhere. Just write the dimensions. And whenever you write the dimensions, use the arrow marks like this. This is the engineering arrow marks. Okay. So when I draw it in a bigger one, this is your the engineering what do you call it, fillet, and then this line should touch this. Okay, suppose if you draw a square, this is the square, and then if you want to give the dimension, just this dimension should be fully there, and you write only 15. No need to write millimeters there, because millimeters default we all know. All dimensions are in mm. And in the nameplate, never use small letters. Always use caps. Always use capital letters, in order for you to get the mark. Nowhere you have to write the small letters. Never. Okay, so these are the some of the points that you learned from today, and of course along with the other geometrical projections. I hope you most of you get good marks as I see it. Let me show most of your marks are good, and let me show your marks before you go. Then we'll call it a day. Okay, these are your marks before you leave. Just check your marks. Anas Khatem, only he got this today's assignment, he got 0. Abdullah Majid, 2 assignments 0. Then remaining all of you get today 3.53. Only Obaid Sulaiman And these two brothers, they are making mistakes, so they will get less marks here. Osama, okay. Khalid, and who is this guy? Ryan. Ryan should be very careful. He got some mistakes there. Abdullah Hadi is okay. And these people are getting all 100% marks. And Sultan Saad Hamid, 2 marks. I think he made mistake there. Adnan also made mistakes. And who is this guy? Asil. Asil makes a very big mistake, so he should be improving. Iyad also make mistakes. He got only 2 marks. Uh, Abdulaziz Abdullah, he will submit it with the next assignment. He missed it somewhere. He forgot it. Talal, I think Talal is in deep trouble. Talal did not submit the second assignment and third assignment, so he'll get 0. This guy probably he will be failed in this subject. These guys, I don't know if he can improve. I think Talal can improve. He attend all the classes, so I will be still. I have faith in this guy Talal. So please, Talal, if you are there, you can still try. You will get a pass at least if you try sincerely. Sultan is okay. Al Hassan Allawi is very good. Abdullah Ayman, today he made a mistake, so he'll be okay. Ali Hassan Shairi, I don't know, he got 0 mark. I'm sure he will improve because he's also continually attending the classes. So, guys, please, apart from 2, 3 people, I'm sure this class is very, very good. I'm very happy about this class. I'm sure most of you get A or A plus this time. I think many of you. This class will get the maximum A plus, I believe. Only 2 or 3 people. Only this Abdullah Majid Ubaidullah Al Qurairi has a problem, and Ali Hassan. Only 4 people. Remaining all are good, and these 4 also they will improve hopefully. So until then, for all of you here, a very good night, and we'll meet on next week same time. Until then, all of you, salam. Thank you very much for your cooperation.
Doctor, doctor,
Yes.
my homework grade, my first homework grade is in a green block. Is it mean bonus or something?
Yeah, yeah. Any green, it will be always bonus.
Yes, because I'm
Any
Hassan
green,
Jalal.
yeah, yeah. Any green, if you see, you will get the bonus later. Not now, not now, because I will check your performance until the last exercise, and how many green you get, that many green you will get some bonus. You understand? Yellows
Yes.
are yellow. If you get a yellow, that's a problem to you. Those who got yellow, that's a problem. Green, you got some bonus. I will not say until I will check the whole exercise, then only I will give the bonus. And blue is okay. Blue has some problem, real problem, so that's why I put blue. So blue is okay. Only the yellow, this yellow are trouble. Okay?
Okay.
All right, guys, have a good night. We'll see on next week, next time. Thank you very much for your cooperation. I hope everyone will get A plus this time. And thank you very much again.
Doctor, are you still here? Doctor? Doctor?
Who is this? Yeah, yeah, I'm still here. Anything? What is what?
Doctor, in assignment 2, you give me 1 on 5.
What
I
number?
want to fix my